Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your voice to text not working on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. If voice to text or dictation is not working on your iPhone, it is usually caused by disabled settings, a microphone issue, or a software glitch. So in order to go ahead and fix these, you simply go ahead and follow these steps. Open your settings and then simply go ahead and look for your keyboard icon or keyboard settings. If you don't find it outside, it might be inside of general. Inside of general, simply go into your keyboard and down over here, and then you want to simply toggle off enable dictation, and then simply go ahead and toggle it on again. Once you've done that, there could also be a Wi-Fi error, so simply head into your settings and then head into general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.